Good afternoon, sir. My name is Bikash Gurung. I am 27 years old. I am from Kaski, Nepal. I am married. I have 5 members in my family. My education is plus 2 pass. My height is 5.4 feet and weight is 65 kg. I am medically fit and fine. I have 3 years of experience as a garbage disposal worker in Nepal. Cleaning, sanitizing, loading, sorting of garbage are my job. I want to come to any European country as a garbage disposal worker. I want to earn money and support my family, secure my future. I will stay there for a long time, maybe 4 or 5 years. Also, I am hardworking and honest person. I can work in any weather, climate there. Any outdoor work I can manage. I will complete my agreement contract of 2 years. Also, I will follow the company rules and policies. Thank you.